Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my channel. I hope you will be fine spending a good life. Dear friend, most welcome my channel. I shared with you new and great project ideas in this channel. So friend, let's come. I shared with you new and great project thinking ideas. These ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends, you will begin like ideas. And these are very beautiful unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. I hope friends you will be enjoy my great project thinking ideas. It's are completely beautiful to each other and you will be like these ideas. So friends, subscribe my channel logo. These ideas these very beautiful and unique ideas which I shared with you, and it's are very beautiful fundamental designs and are completely different to each other. So friend, you will begin different type of thinking crochet ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. So friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, you will begin different type of thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. You will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. So friend, you will begin different type of thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. I hope friends you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. These are very beautiful and unique fundamental designs which I shared with you in this video. Friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So my dear friends, to enjoy these ideas which I shared with you in this video, because it's are very beautiful and unique fundamental designs. To take care dear friend, and inshallah next time I will meet you and upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality. Thank you so much friends to watching this video at the last.